Hey everyone, this is the Bird Nest Warmer from Miss Adara Pittman, 35 at $1.50. Copy the list. Go live. 255. Paste the list. Roll our dice, we need a 4 or higher. 255. And we have a 6. 255. 35 items on the list. It's 2. 3. 4. 5. After the 5th time, there's still 35 items on the list. Stephanie's on the top. Miss Beth Perry is on the bottom. We're randomized 5 times. The dice call for a 6. 256, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 1, Miss Asia Barnes is the winner. Congrats, Miss Asia. 35 items on the list. 6 times. The dice call for a 6. We are done. 256. Thanks, everyone.